must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart.
Thank you, Daddy.
I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know it. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. Did I ever tell you you're my hero? You're everything, everything I wish I could be. Oh, and I can fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. 'Cause you are the wind beneath my wings. Oh, the wind beneath my wings. You are the wind beneath my wings. Fly, fly away. You let me fly so high.
Thank you, Daddy, for being the wind beneath my wings and for being example of a father, a daddy who provided for his family and cared deeply for them. And Daddy, even though you're not here today, I thank you for leaving me in the hands of the everlasting Father, as stated in the Bible, in the book of Isaiah, chapter 9, verse 6. Bringing the Continental back to its glory days. Wait 1 minute. What did you say? One day I received an email from the body shop saying to give them a call. The rear window of the Continental was leaking. You may not understand, that was some very hurtful news. The Continental had now been painted, and now to find out that the back window was leaking. My plans were to have the mechanics done, the electrical done, the top done, everything finished before the car was painted, because I didn't want anyone after that having a reason to touch the Mark III. That's one of the problems in having your car worked on in a different state. There was no way I was going to pay extra money to ship that car back to the vinyl top people to correct the problem. The body shop told me that they would use their local glass company to take a look at it, only to find out later that the glass was set back incorrectly and that the sealant that they used was the wrong type. I was told that they would need a replacement window because they may have to break the original window in order to get it out. And you would know by looking at these various videos what I was thinking. No, not my daddy's original rear window. Oh, and by the way, the body shop informed me later on that they could not find a replacement window. Oh my. I made arrangements with the body shop that I would show up on a certain day first, before the car would be picked up. I showed up, of course, with my final payment and with the necktie I promised that I would bring. So the shine on the Continental passed the necktie test. A message to those who have taken this journey with me. The most bizarre thing that I realize in this process is the year that I had the car restored was the year I turned 61. The same age my daddy was when he originally purchased the car. JL's youngest son has grown up. That is amazing. Receiving the car back from the body shop at the age of 61, the same age my daddy was. Was it planned? No. Is it a coincidence? I don't think so. I apologize. This was originally supposed to be my next to last video, but I have now the possession of the Continental with no seats or inside door panels. So I have to say, the history of JL's car continues.